Already got in hell, just pumping that gas.